back, guys. So I'm not going to talk for long. We're going to jump right into this, but for today we're going to do a little bit more cutting weight out of the Caprice. The first video that we did pretty well, so we're going to continue this on. I'll do 3 parts. Part 1's done. This will be part 2. We're going to do one more big one, and that should be fairly large. But for today, we're going to pull the door panels off. We're going to clean up the inside of the doors a little bit, and then for the rear doors, we're going to get some sheets of aluminum and then make our own door panel to put in place of the plastic ones. And then we're going to go underneath the hood and we're going to clean up that second layer of hood. And then we'll weigh it all at the end and see what we can't come up with. But make sure you guys stick around. It should be kind of a neat video and see what kind of weight we can pull out of this thing again.
Okay, next on the list, I saw a guy got this second layer out. I asked him if he had any like compression or dimpling or anything under speed, and he said at 160 he didn't notice anything, but he's not necessarily paying attention to it. So, you know, if he's running 160, we're running 114. I think it should be fine. So next on my list, there's like little spots of glue that hold this together. It looks like all these dimples. So what I'm gonna do is start pulling this down a little bit, and then I have a tiny knife I'm gonna slide in between, and it works pretty well for cutting these little glue spots off, but it's just gonna be tedious work. So that's what it looks like removed. I'm gonna have to go through and pull all those stupid little glue spots. You can see over here in the corner, I have to go back through and clean out some of these cuts. I'm gonna cut these tabs off. So we'll just call it 10 pounds from the hood. And then I think I'm getting about a pound a piece from gutting the doors. So we should be able to pull about 15 there. And then I have to do this over the course of a few days here. So I think if I remember correctly, I think the door panels weigh 12, and I think the aluminum door panels for the back are maybe like 3 or so pounds. So I'm hoping to cut maybe 20, 25 pounds out of this. I'm gonna try and look at the package tray and then behind the rear seats and see what we can shave out of there. Okay, so the front door's a little bit more difficult to get off. There's a few more screws than the back doors, but these weigh 11 pounds. I'm gonna pull some of this matting outside and the styrofoam. I mean, that'll be, you know, ounces on the pound, but I'm gonna come in here, I'm gonna trim this stuff up. I've already been asking questions on pulling the radio. This is not a daily, it's just a toy. So if we could pull all the radio and the HVAC out of there, you know, that would be a ton of weight. But like I said, we don't listen to the radio, so I'm gonna go ahead and just pull the speakers anyways. You know, those will be a couple pounds, and then I'm gonna trim up this door like we did the back door. Okay, we're gonna roll the window up. I'm gonna feel around this backside. Like I said, I'm gonna try and maybe trim some of this up. It looks like there's gonna be a little bit less maybe to trim. There seems to be a lot more support up here than on the backside, but we'll see if we can't trim up just a little a little bit of this and cut out a little bit of weight. Okay, so there's not as much to the front doors. I'll trim this little piece here. I'll pull this one down a little bit. I'll clean up right around here. I'll pull this one up just a touch, and then I'll be able to cut this little shape out of here. But like I said, feeling around on the back side, I'm gonna have to keep some of the supports in for the window. Like up here, some of these screw holes to hold the door. Down there, the screw holes to hold the door. There's a lot more like window reinforcement, if you will, behind there. So like I said, I mean, really other than this piece here, it's just gonna be kind of like cleaning up some of these holes. Battery died over here, so we still have this one to do. I'm gonna finish this little piece out with the wheel that's on it. There's not really much left, but I literally just have this bottom piece to do, and then I'll switch wheels and then knock out this big piece, but I won't record that. I'm pretty much done over here. The passenger side will be done, the hood's done. I'm gonna start working my way around this way. I'm gonna bang out these two doors. I won't record those because it's gonna be the same thing as this. I'll probably end up pulling the package tray and then behind the rear seats. And then I don't know, I'll have to see what the factory holes look like, but I'll probably make X's in there if possible. That way I can keep some of the structural integrity of the vehicle, but hopefully cut out a couple pounds back there too. Like I said, I won't know until I pull the package tray. I did a while ago and I can't remember why I did. But I don't remember what it looks like under there. All right, so outside of cleaning up all this metal debris, I'm pretty much done with this. I'm gonna put the seats back, and then on the other side, I'm gonna put the trunk liners in, so you won't be able to see any of this stuff. But I did leave, you know, just a couple finger widths here to just brace all this. I ended up cutting out the top. I left this center section in because I have no idea what this box is. And then there's a screw hole up in the top. And then, because I'm gonna put the factory cover back in, which is over here. That way you can't see it, but before I do that, I have to steal some cardboard from work, but hold that under and over, and then I'm going to spray paint it to help keep all this from rusting. I'm going to take a file through and file all the sharp, jagged edges off, so when we're back in here, we don't cut the crap out of ourselves, because I have absolutely annihilated my hands over the past couple days working on this stuff. But like I said, other than cleaning up, this is done. The only thing we have to cut out is the inside of this door, and then we're pretty much done, like I said, so that one's done. The fronts are done. I already put those back on. And then I'm probably going to put a sheet of aluminum up through here, and then it'll probably stop somewhere here. So I might paint this top little lip here. I have to see how this looks, but I think it'll just stop, you know, here-ish. Maybe paint it white to keep the theme, or I might try and wrap it in carbon fiber just to give it that aesthetic look. But for the most part, we are done. Okay, so the first panel is on. So you a quick close up. So there is just a little gap over here, but the next piece of aluminum was $20 more. So, you know, 40 bucks for both. So I decided just to screw it down there. And then I'm just gonna leave this up here. I might paint this black if we do this carbon fiber. The wrap's fairly expensive, so I'm just gonna paint this black for now. And then moving forward, I'll probably end up wrapping it, but I'm gonna cut a couple more holes in, screw it in all the way. The door closes, it works. So I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna just trace it onto my other sheet of aluminum and then cut that out and we'll be done. I'm gonna weigh the finished product versus the old panel and see what kind of weight. I wanna say I've been collecting everything in this garbage can here. I think I'm at like 25 pounds, not including the panels. So I want to say these weighed like 12 a piece. So we should be somewhere in the ballpark of maybe 40, 45 pounds. So door closes, very happy with it. So should be fun, should be exciting. All right, guys. I mean, this is pretty much the final product here. It's in. It fits great, closes in the door. I only had to do like 2 cuts, but I think I might paint this black too. I'm debating on keeping this black or trying to wrap it in carbon fiber, but I mean, it's in. I'm waiting for the other one to dry, but I think it turned out pretty well. Between the old panel, what we gutted from the door, and the speakers, it's about 19 pounds worth of savings, which isn't the most weight, but it's not bad. You know, every pound counts. So I just have to pull that door, cut the inside of the door over there, put this one on, and then I'm gonna weigh this. This is just what we've cut out of the car on this video. I'm gonna weigh those in the panels and then see what we lost overall. But like I said, that's on there. So we'll be wrapping up this here in just a second. Look at that, 43 pounds on the dot.